The current video tutorial shows how to generate a custom skin for the audio player. For them, we will be able to use artificial intelligence, which will quickly and easily create our skin, and we will be able to adjust it manually if we wish. As an artificial intelligence model, we have decided to use Gemini, the Google's artificial intelligence, because it is powerful, and in addition, the tokens it offers for free are more than enough to generate our skin. To get started, we'll visit the plugin settings page and scroll down to the audio player settings section. Once in the section, we must enter our API key to make use of Google's Gemini model. Generating an API key is extremely simple. We visit the link to Google AI Studio on the plugin page, which opens the Google page in a new tab, and we press the button to create a new API key. Once the API key is obtained, we return to the plugin page, paste it into the corresponding field, and press the Save API Key button. All that remains is to enter the description of the skin we want and press the Generate Skin button. The plugin, making use of Google's model, has generated a new custom skin, and the styles of the new design will be available for editing in the code text area. For example, if I want the corners to be even more rounded, I can edit the styles directly in the text area and press the preview button to visualize the changes. Once we're happy with a custom skin, we scroll to the bottom of the plugins page and hit the Save Settings button to save the changes. Now, we only must visit the product page and select the custom skin through the list of skins available for our audio player.